Greetings, dear students. This is the third video of part A of basic mathematics. In case you have not watched the previous two videos, I kindly request you to watch the two videos and then come for this. So here, go through the first question. If A equals 1 minus 3, 2, 0, then find adjoint of A. So finding adjoint of A for 2 cross 2 matrix is very easy. You just have to interchange principal diagonal elements. So here principal diagonal elements are 1 and then 0. So interchange that, you will get 0 and then 1. Then for the other elements, you have to change the sign. Okay, so the remaining elements are minus 3 and then 2. For that, you have to change the sign. So minus 3 becomes plus 3 and plus 2 becomes minus 2. This is adjoint of A, option B. Second question, the number of ways 10 different precious stones can be set to form a necklace. So they're talking about necklace, therefore this is circular permutations. In circular permutations, formula is either n minus 1 factorial or half into n minus 1 factorial. In short, I don't want to explain the logic behind these two. You just remember this. For living things, use this formula n minus 1 factorial, and for non-living things, use half into n minus 1 factorial. So half into total number of stones are 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 factorial. So half into 9 factorial is the answer. That is option B. Third question, if A and B are two events with probability 0.4 and 0.8 corresponding to A and then A union B, if A and B are mutually exclusive, this is important. They said mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means P of A intersection B will be 0. That is the meaning of mutually exclusive. All right. So P of A is given in the question 0.4. P of A union B is also given in the question 0.8. And we know that P of A intersection B is 0. Okay. Now, P of A intersection B equals, we know this formula, right? P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. P of A intersection B is 0, P of A is 0.4, P of B is not given in the question, and P of A union B is 0.8. If you simplify this, you will get 0.4. Option C is the correct answer. Then fourth question, the value of 3 sine 10 degrees minus 4 sine cube 10 degrees. Uh, this is the application of sine 3 theta. So sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So that can be written as a sine of 3 into 10 degrees. So sine of 3 into 10 degrees is sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Then fifth question, integration of 3x plus 5 whole to the power 2 dx. Now we know that x power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So based on this, I will assume that 3x plus 5 as x. So x to the power 2 integration is 3x plus 5 whole to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. But again, we have to write the x coefficient here. X coefficient is 3, right? So in the denominator, we should write 3. So if you simplify this, you will get 3x plus 5 whole to the power 3 divided by 3 into 3 is 9 plus constant. Option B is the correct answer. Then sixth question, first MCQ. NC2 equals NC8. We know this formula, right? NCR equals NCn minus R. Therefore, NC2 equals NCn minus 8. Now equate R values. So 2 is equals to n minus 8. Therefore, n is equals to 10. So for the first one, correct answer is 10. And second one, I told you earlier, to simplify these kinds of determinants, always you do either row operation or column operation. So here I will do C1 changes to C1 minus C2. If I do that, I will get minus 1 as the first column, 2012 and then 2014 as it is. Now simplify this. Minus 1 into 2014 minus minus 1 into 2012. So minus 2014 minus into minus is plus 2012. If you simplify this, you will get minus 2. So for the second one, correct answer is minus 2. And third one is mean proportional. So mean proportional, I'll write like this. 4 is to x as to x is to 9. Here x is the mean proportional. Product of extremes will be equal to product of means. So 4 into 9 is 36. 36 is equals to x square. Therefore, x is equals to 6. 6 6 are 36. Right? So third one correct answer is 6. And fourth one is a limit extends to 0. Sine 4x divided by 2x. So always remember this. Angle should be equals to the denominator. Limit extends to 0. Sine of 4x divided by 2x. See, here the angle is 4x. So even in the denominator, we need 4x, but then 2x is given in the question. So I will do into 2 and then divided by 2. If I do that, I will get limit extends to 0 of sine 4x divided by 4x into 2. So this entire thing becomes 1 if you apply the limit. So 1 into 2 will be 2. 2 is the answer for the fourth one. Then fifth question. If y equals e power x, then find dy by dx minus y. I will differentiate this with respect to x. Dy by dx equals e power x differentiation is e power x. So dy by dx equals, instead of e power x, I will write e power x value. See here, e power x is y, correct? So instead of e power x, I'll write y. Then I'll shift y to other side. So if I do that, dy by dx plus y becomes minus y equals to 0. So value of dy by dx minus y equals to 0. This is the answer for the fifth one. Then seventh question, the number of three-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. Now count the number of numbers here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers and then we need to form three-digit numbers. So the answer is 5p3. Simplify this. 5 into 4 into 3. Multiply 3 preceding numbers. So 5 into 4 into 3 is 60. Correct answer is 60. Then find the fourth proportional of 6, 14, 15. So I will write like this: 6 is to 14 as to 15 is to x, and product of extremes will be equals to product of means. Simplify this, you will get x as 35. The ninth question, y equals x plus 1 divided by x. So split the numerator here. You will get x by x plus 1 by x. Therefore, y is equals to 1 plus 1 by x. Now you differentiate this. So dy by dx equals 1 differentiation is 0 plus 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Then 10th question, integration from 1 to 2x. So x to the power 1 integration is x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, and then limits are 1 and then 2. So first you apply the upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 square divided by 4, or 2 square divided by 2 is 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Then 11th question, if sine A equals 3 by 5, then find the value of sine 2A. So we know that sine 2A formula is 2 sine A into cos A, right? So this is equals to 2 into sine A is given in the question. Sine A is 3 by 5. And then we need to find out the cos A. Whereas the cos A value is not given in the question. So I will call it as angle, this is 90 degrees. I will call this as angle A. This is hypotenuse, opposite, and then adjacent. We know that sine A is 3 by 5. So opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5. And we know that 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagoras triplets. So adjacent will be 4. Therefore, cos A equals adjacent by hypotenuse. You will get 4 by 5. So here I will write 4 by 5. Simplify this, 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4 is 24, and then 5 into 5 is 25. So correct answer is 24 divided by 25. Then 12th question, find x if the given matrix is symmetric. Condition for symmetric is A should be equals to A dash. This is the condition for symmetric. A should be equals to A dash. Okay, so now 3x 47 should be equals to 3x 47. Transpose the given matrix. Now in place of x, we have 4. Therefore, x is equals to 4. Then next question, 13th question, find the subduplicate ratio. Look at the question here. It's not duplicate, it says subduplicate. Duplicate means you have to do the square, but it says subduplicate. Therefore, you should do root of 9 is to root of 49. Root of 9 is 3, root of 49 is 7. 3 is to 7 is the correct answer. Then 14th question, if 2 is a prime, then 3 is not odd. So first we have to find out the inverse. Um, I will express this in the symbolic form first. Let P be the proposition 2 is prime and negation Q is 3 is not odd. We should write negation Q because here not is given in the question. And given logical proposition is P conditional negation Q. And we know that converse is opposite of that. That is negation Q conditional P. And then inverse is negation of first term conditional negation of second term, right? So we want inverse here. So if you simplify this, you will get negation P conditional, negation of negation Q, you will get Q. All right. So now we need to express this in the verbal form. Negation P, if 2 is not a prime number, then 3 is odd. So it's Q, so I will write 3 is odd. If it is negation Q, then I will write 3 is not odd number. Then 15th question, limit extends to infinity. 3x square minus 4x plus 2 divided by 2x square plus 5x plus 7. So what I'll be doing is, I will take x square as common from both numerator and then denominator. If I take x square common, I will get 3 minus from 4x. If I take x square as common, I will get 4 by x plus 2 by x square divided by, again in the denominator, I will take out x square as common. So I will get 2 plus 5 by x plus 7 by x square. So x square will get cancelled. Now you apply the limit. 3 minus 4 by infinity 0, 2 by infinity 0 divided by 2 plus 5 by infinity 0, 7 by infinity 0. Therefore 3 by 2 is the answer. Now evaluate 3 by x. We know that differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Therefore integration of 1 by x will be log x. So 3 by x integration will be 3 into log x plus constant. So write down 3 as it is. Integration of 1 by x is log x.